Welcome everybody to EVI's Auto. In this video we are going to discuss which is the best product to pass here in Spain this technical inspection about the gases in the diesel vehicles. So you know that here in Spain we measure which is the opacity of any diesel vehicle, and the more opacity you got, the less chances you got to pass the test. There are plenty of products available in the market which prevent the gases to be very, let's say, very black with high opacity. So I will put in the description below all the links to all these products. We start from left to right. Here we've got some products which you can find in any supermarket on any big surface, and others you can only find it in internet. So the first product I want to discuss is this diesel treatment from the Liens company. So this is a maintenance product. I use this product 2-3 times a year. So the way I use it is, or the way it's meant to use it is, with the tank low, you add this bottle inside the tank, and then you fill the tank. So that is going to work for the Spanish inspection? I don't think so. Why? Because this, as I mentioned, this is a maintenance product for your injectors. So it's going to clean it. Yes, it's going to clean it. Will you get a low opacity? No, maybe a little bit, but it will be enough to pass the test if you didn't make it last time. I don't think so. That's why these companies also sell you the same product but in a pack, and it's already called PRE-ITV. ITV is the Spanish technical inspection for vehicles. So the pack comes with 2 bottles. One of them is the same, the diesel treatment, and is used in the same way. In this case is the 3 horses or 3CV company, and the way we use it is the first bottle, which is the diesel treatment, you use it, you add it to the tank, and then you fill the tank. And then the next one, once you use it all the diesel, the same day you go to the station, you add the other product, which is called the anti-gas, or I will call it the anti-gas diesel. And then with only 10 liters of diesel, you run like 30 minutes at high revolutions in the highway before you enter in the inspection, and you have good chances to pass the inspection. The next product is exactly the same. This is the number 1 sell in Amazon, and it's called STP pack for the inspection. Contains 2 bottles as well. The only difference is that this pack is only 2000 milliliters. The other one was 350. The first bottle, it will clean your injectors, so you use it a couple of days before you go to the inspection. And the other bottle, the anti-gases, you use it the same day, and as I mentioned in the advertisement here, it works in only 1 hour. I think it's going to have the same results as the other one from the 3CV mark company. Yeah. Okay, this is an interesting one. This is Liqui Moly injector cleaner. The reference is 2509. So this is also a maintenance product, but you can use it in case of an emergency. For example, as a maintenance product, I use it in the tank. So I empty this half a liter bottle in the tank, and then I fill the tank with diesel, and then I can do it maybe once a year, twice a year. However, if you got a problem with injectors, let's say you've got a light coming up that's saying that your injectors are not working properly, you put all these 500 milliliters inside the diesel filter. So in that way it's going to come in directly to the input of your engine, and the concentration will be 100%, and then will clean it, the injectors. Now the product, I hope the best results. It's going to give the best results. This is the Spanish version of the brand called meca-run. meca-run is a brand half Spanish, half French, I think. Here we've got the anti-pollution product. This is the Spanish version, so the color is blue, but maybe you can find it in other countries in other colors. This is the professional 1 liter bottle, but you can also find it in 250 milliliters. This is enough for today. And also there's a small version which contains 125 milliliters. I don't recommend that one because it's too short or it's not enough. I think this is the way to go. However, we're going to do it today in this 1 liter formula bottle because we've got a dispenser here and we've got exactly 10 to 50 milliliters of solution that we are going to put behind in that container, which I've already got like around 10 liters of diesel here. So my expectations are that this is going to be the best product and you will get an opacity around 0%, or with the, it's not a percentage, but it's around 0 in the results of the test. So okay, now I think the best way to proceed is I'm going to put the camera in my head. I'm going to add it here already and then I put it in the car, in the tank. Alright. So in front of me I've got this 5-gallon container which has the homologation for diesel and also petrol. So we need for 11 liters of diesel plus maybe 2 or 3 that I've got inside the tank. I will need 200 milliliters of this product. So we will use the professional bottle which has this dispenser here. So you can see that it's marked from 10 milliliters to 50 milliliters. So pressing in the base of the container, the product goes up, 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 and then you got it here how it's going filling the container, and there we go, 50 milliliters. Let's put it a little bit more. There you are, 50 milliliters. So you need to do that 4 times in order to obtain 200 milliliters. Now you put that inside the container. Now I will do this just to show you in the video, but I will normally do that at the petrol station. So once you do this formula 4 times, now it's done. I'm gonna shake the container and I'm going to do the plan. I'm going to put it in the tank. There we go. Done. Come on. Tomorrow I've got the test here in the Spanish inspection building. For now, what I want to say is that I leave all the products description here in the video description below, so you can check all the products, where I found it, and their cost, how much they cost, and as well I have here the Spanish inspection manual book. So just in case you have any doubt, any question, please leave the comment below and I try to answer as soon as possible. Let me your thoughts below. Well, here I end for now this video. I keep you soon updated, and don't forget to subscribe and support. See you on the next one. Bye.